Check it out.
Here.
You don't care what Santa Claus even brought? Go look around. I see a bike. I see 2 bikes.
Here.
Oh, what a happy... You're not even happy. I'm trying to come right back down the chimney then.
This is all for you, Chris.
Yeah, Chris is going to have it all then.
Everything here, Chris. I don't believe this is like instruction paper. I don't... Destroy the size of that bike in front of me.
So we go back to bed?
See what good.
Huh?
See what good. See we even got something, did he, Mom?
I don't know. I haven't looked around. Check it out, Rena Gertie.
Look what's in there.
What?
Yeah, that is a bike and a half.
Why? It's too hard to do?
Maybe because you're not.
You know what? Because you really can't do anything. Well, are you pressing the brake? Move your pedals. Step on the brake.
Push, push.
Well,
It's on the
running
carpet.
things over.
Does this train over?
You're running the McDonald's thing over.
Does this train over?
Mm-hmm. Go, Speed Racer. Don't hit the baby.
Whoa, slow down.
Alright, I'll back you up, okay? Hold on.
That is an awesome.
Yeah. What's in there? Anything?
What did you get, little kid?
Look. No, nothing. Nothing.
Oh, this must be for the baby.
You put things in it.
Yeah, this is just like the thing I did Vicky brought.
What is
Yeah, this is his first Christmas. Yeah, he's thrilled.
Who's that for?
This is Gazoo's first Christmas.
Sandy.
Gazoo don't look so excited.
Look at Dolly.
Excited. Alex is sitting over there. She's so excited.
You like that?
Merry Christmas, my Dolly. You have any smells funny? Merry Christmas. Good morning. Good morning.
Christmas, you two little dolls.
Oh, look.
A tramp? Oh,
Mine.
look at the bikes. Oh, hi, Stevie. Merry Christmas.
No, no.
Beautiful.
These are mine.
Oh, my. And look at Alex. She's thrilled over there. Bicycles.
Mommy, I think I got the top.
From the way you slept. This is like real makeup.
Oh, my goodness. Those bicycles are fabulous. Look at Steve on his blanket.
And you can do all these colors, man.
Oh,
Put Steve on the blanket.
get on the blanket.
Even the top
Girl,
one.
this is for seaweed. Yes, sit down. Yay! Seaweed got a new blanket.
Mommy, you can get.
We gave it this one.
But she gave happy. Kathy gave us these.
No.
Drinking. And then you see how
Merry Christmas.
he's drinking.
Oh,
You can really eat it.
no smiles for Mama?
So we can have it. Dinner.
I do.
Strength to open this.
Let's go back to bed. Come on.
Paul, I can't even open this.
Hey.
Look,
Where's Mama Smile?
Yeah, bring it over to me. I'll do it. Manny has absolutely no strength. My fingers
For
are
me. Just sit down, you little baby, poor little thing. This is the year of the sick Christmas.
Oh.
Anna?
absolutely beautiful.
Put some on Nanny so, you know.
Oh my goodness gracious. Yes, so different.
Where'd you put it like this?
Mmm.
Beautiful.
Mmm. Nice.
The baby's so excited, he can't keep his eyes open.
Poor face of babies. Oh,
Oh, Christmas tree, a beautiful Christmas
my,
tree.
oh my, those bicycles are fabulous. What is it? Sepsis?
Paul, put the box down so we can watch you.
I need the box to put it together.
Oh.
Look at the box. Okay.
Daddy, like Daddy.
What is that, Alex? Which one did you get?
There goes out much. You can make straws too, see? You put them all up in here, right? Like just like your McDonald's, like this. Push down this here. The lid, watch. Like that.
What do you make, Alex?
It's
Huh?
a shake maker.
Milkshake?
Probably up here in your eyebrows. Yeah, this part, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, mamma mia.
What? Okay,
You're
open
making
the...
milkshakes today.
Does it say to read it?
Good. Yeah, that says Serena. I can't get both of you in here at the same time.
Oh, wow, Alex, what is that? Oh my goodness, look
What
at that.
is it? Who is it?
Really?
Rena! I knew you wanted that. Alex, did I fool you or what? Huh? Did I trick you? I figured it's been hanging around here for so long, you might as well keep it, huh? You think that was a good idea, Alex?
They have all different types of shakes out you can make.
So that's really for all of you to share, okay?
That's nice.
You
Alex.
share that with Rena.
I'm
Well, you gotta
making
keep direction to
Megan
give a
Mouse
recipe,
and
yeah.
that popcorn.
Yeah,
Rena, Free Willy. Want to watch that today?
Yeah.
never seen that.
John and Maki and Lukey and Rafi and John Ashley and everybody?
That's really
Huh? Oh.
But that's the student's idea. That's not his fault. Buying the stupid things.
Did it break, Alex?
No.
Good. What's right there on the chair, Alex?
See, we got a good thing.
Oh, I know. She's laying
See,
all
we
over
get
it.
one too?
What?
Everywhere.
I thought I'm getting a hot flash.
See, we get one too? Oh yeah, give it a seaweed.
What the seaweed?
Seaweed got a leash.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you needed that seaweed. Watch out for the baby, seaweed. Where are you?
Baby's right here.
Doggy food.
Oh, good. Maybe he wants
Well,
to
you
have
get
one. What?
Got doggy food.
Oh,
Yeah,
lucky
let me get one.
food.
Rena, how's all that gum?
Let me see, I'll get one. A munchie.
Nanny, wave hi.
Oh gosh.
Nanny and
I
Daddy
just
is
can't
sick.
even- I can't even wave.
So I